Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log out of your Facebook account from all the device. So what you want to do is after you open Facebook, click on menu at the bottom right of the screen. From inside menu, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. Once you click on the setting icon, you can see this option called see more in account center, which is in blue color. Click on it. From over here, you want to click on the option called password and security. From inside password and security, you can see the option called where you're logged in. Click on that. From over here, it's going to show you your Facebook account. Click on your Facebook account and it's going to show you all the devices you're currently logged in. So click on select devices to log out and choose the device which you want to log out from. And if you want to log out from all devices, you can click on select all and click on log out. Once you click on log out, click on log out again. Basically, that means you confirm it and your Facebook will be logged out from every single device. That's how you guys can log out from your Facebook and all the device. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.